Hi, welcome to Digipara Lift Designer. Digipara Lift Designer Software is a CAD program that allows elevator companies, especially SME, to design and make elevator CAD drawings. That too without knowing AutoCAD. It enables users to create 2D and 3D models of elevators and generate detailed CAD drawings and specifications. The software includes a library of pre-configured elevator components, as well as many tools to make elevator CAD within minutes. Many of top elevator brands already uses Digipara. Would you like to add your brand in the family of Digipara Lift Designer? Please call now +918 744 06 4158. Let me repeat number again. +91 87 44 06 4158. Thank you for your time. Hi, welcome to Digipara Lift Designer. Digipara Lift Designer.